We're now getting you an update that's coming in from Andhra Pradesh. A huge controversy that's playing out over how social distancing norms were violated by TDP supporters yesterday during party chief Chandrababu Naidu's arrival in Krishna district in the state. As Chandrababu Naidu entered into Andhra Pradesh after almost 2 months, overexcited party workers and supporters threw lockdown and social distancing protocol to the winds. You can see them gathering around Naidu's car, waving at him, no social distancing, most of them not even wearing masks. Naidu along with his son Lokesh left Hyderabad in the morning and had entered Andhra and then headed to Amravati. YSRCP leader Gopal Reddy has now approached the Andhra Pradesh High Court against Chandrababu Naidu for allegedly violating the lockdown.
We have not asked anyone to gather and to welcome Chandrababu Garu. In fact, Chandrababu Garu had made it very clear to all our leaders and party cadre not to come and welcome him. So that was his very strict instructions. But in spite that, we found that some of our party cadre have come onto the roads to greet him. But this is not something which is planned by the party. It was some kind of a spontaneous response from the cadre who have been missing our leader from the past few months because of the lockdown.
This kind of leaders are violating the rules. It's very unfortunate. He has to say sorry and he has to go to the, according to the rules, when he crossed the state, he came from the red zone. He has to go to the quarantine. He's not doing that. He wants to politicalize the issues. What he did in Hyderabad 65 days, he never asked permission for Andhra Pradesh to come over here.
Mr. Gopal Reddy of the YSRCP is joining us on this broadcast. We also have Krishna Sagar Rao of the BJP. Mr. Gopal Reddy, to you first. You've approached the Andhra Pradesh High Court. What exactly is your demand here? Do you seek action against Chandrababu Naidu for what happened yesterday?
Madam, our Chandrababu Naidu, Andhra Pradesh opposition leader, है ना?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, go ahead, sir.
वो 60 days ago हैदराबाद में रहता ना. ये आंध्र प्रदेश की अपोजिशन लीडर वो रेसिडेंट अट तेलंगाना अदे हैदराबाद 60 days वो हैदराबाद में एंजॉय करके कल वो आंध्र प्रदेश के डीजी डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलिस ने परमिशन दिया इनको हैदराबाद विजयवाड़ा आने के लिए. ये बहुत हंगामा करके वो बारात से वो आंध्र प्रदेश की स्टार्ट. इसका सन लोकेश है ना, इसका चंद्रबाबू नायडू और इसका सन लोकेश है ना, वो दोपहर की 2 बजे की वो विजयवाड़ा पहुंच गए. वो रास्ता में बहुत हंगामा करके वो कैडर के बुला के वो झंडा पकड़ के, हाथ में झंडा पकड़ के वो मास्क नहीं लगाया, सैनिटाइजर भी कुछ भी नहीं लगाया. वो మాస్క్ కుछ भी नहीं लगा.
రెడ్డి గారు మీరు తెలుగులో చెప్పండి, నేను ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేస్తాను. మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ హైకోర్టులో ఒక పిటిషన్ ఫైల్ చేసినారు. మీకు ఏం యాక్షన్ కావాలి ఇప్పుడు?
ఆయన మీద యాక్షన్ తీసుకోవాలమ్మా. ఎందుకంటే ఆయన రోజు లాక్డౌన్ లో ఉన్నారు. ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్ల మీరు నిత్యావసర సరుకులు పంపుతున్నారు. బీద పిక్కికి కొంచెం వాళ్ళకు హెల్ప్ చేయడానికి రైస్ కానీ, తర్వాత వెజిటబుల్స్ కానీ, తర్వాత వాళ్ళకి కావాల్సినటువంటి ఇస్తూ ఉంటే మీరు మీ నుంచి కరోనా డెవలప్ అవుతుంది అని చెప్పేసి రోజు హైదరాబాద్ లో కూర్చొని గట్టిగా వచ్చేవాడు మేడం. కనుక ఇప్పుడు డీజీ 64 రోజుల తర్వాత డీజీపీకి లెటర్ పెట్టుకొని నేను ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ వస్తున్నాను అని చెప్పేసి నేను చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు మా అపోజిషన్ లీడర్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ నేను గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ ఎమ్మెల్సీ మేడం. నేను ఆయన ఎమ్మెల్సీ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్ ఎమ్మెల్సీ అంటే ఆయన లెటర్ పెట్టుకున్నాడు. డీజీపీ పర్మిషన్ ఇచ్చాడు. డీజీపీ పర్మిషన్ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు, నిబంధనలు ఇచ్చాడు, ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు. నీవు శానిటైజర్ కానీ, తర్వాత మాస్క్ కానీ వేసుకొని నీవు జనంతో డిస్టెన్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తూ నువ్వు విజయవాడ రావడానికి జనరల్ పోలీస్ పర్మిషన్.
Okay, Reddy Garu, thank you for joining us. So clearly the message that's coming in from Mr. Gopal Reddy is that he's putting the onus on Chandrababu Naidu. He's saying that Naidu should have ensured that his TDP supporters, a message had gone across that they must wear masks and maintain social distancing when he enters the district, and that the onus now is on the TDP chief. Krishna Sagar Rao of the BJP is also with us. Mr. Krishna Sagar Rao, your reaction to these visuals that have come in now of Chandrababu Naidu being welcomed by this huge crowd, no social distancing, none of them are wearing masks.
See, the visuals you're flashing on the screen are disturbing and unacceptable in the time we are in. And it sets a wrong example. And who's setting the wrong example is the man who is a former CM and a lawmaker and someone who should have some restraint to be not politically active at this point of time. And I'm not just preaching. Our party is practicing it, right from our president Naddaji all the way till our state president. We are not indulging in any political dharnas, dissent programs, and if we are doing it with extreme measures of staying home and then doing a live dharna or a live fasting. But these are the times not for political activism. I think somebody as senior as Chandrababu Naidu should have known this, and this is also not the time to display the psychophancy by the cadre. And this is quite dangerous. And the community spread is a big possibility at this point of time. Andhra Pradesh numbers are skyrocketing.
Yes.
So Bharatiya Janata Party denounces this kind of roadside political drama. It sets a wrong example.
Okay, Mr. Krishna Sagar Rao, thank you for joining us. Let's understand from the TDP what they have to say about this. Mr. Kutumba Rao is joining us on this broadcast. Mr. Rao, this kind of an incident is shocking because your party has been very, very critical of ISRCP, saying that they've mishandled the COVID crisis. And look at these visuals. None of the norms are being maintained. Social distancing not there, no masks. Mr. Naidu himself is standing out of the car and waving at the crowds.
The visuals which you have displayed, I have also seen, and since I was in Hyderabad also, I have observed it on the TV also. But the point to be noted here is, Mr. Naidu has sought permission for coming to Andhra Pradesh. First through flight via Vizag, then to Amravati by road. But the government has denied the flight facility and he has to go by the road from Hyderabad to Vijayawada. And who has to control the crowd, if at all, if any crowds are gathering in Krishna district or something? It is the duty of the Andhra Pradesh BJP and the Andhra Pradesh police, because the whole program was given to them. Because we know, despite however best we give instructions, the political followers at the downside, they are prone for displaying their emotions. And that's what has happened. The police should have controlled. Who stopped the police from controlling
No, but
them?
Mr. Rao, we will ask those questions.
I'll tell you, the complaint is only as a counterattack to the complaint filed by some of the TDP persons in the High Court. The whole community spread in Andhra Pradesh has been because of the travel by YSRCP leaders.
No,
both
but this is
MLAs,
also a
MPs.
case, sir, where there can be community transmission. We'll ask those questions to the administration. My question to you, Mr. Kutumba Rao, is one, you know also how party workers get frenzied, especially when they see Mr. Chandrababu Naidu. Why wasn't a directive given to TDP workers saying don't do this? Secondly, when Mr. Naidu steps out of his car and waves at the crowd, why didn't he tell them, move away, maintain distance, wear mask? Instead, if he hadn't stopped his vehicle, perhaps you wouldn't have seen that kind of a crowd.
Madam, you should have asked your local reporters also when the crowds have stopped the car and Mr. Naidu did not never ever step in outside the car.
Sir, we can see it. Sir, we can see it in the video. He's opened the car. He's not stepped out, but he's standing. He's waving. He's acknowledging the crowd.
Let me complete. While acknowledging, he has been clearly saying to them, go back, stay safe, stay at home. That's what he was clearly saying. Ask the reporters, anybody, what he has talked. He did not talk any politics. He said, I am back, I am with you, but you stay at home. These are the words clearly used by him.
Okay, so Mr. Kutumba Rao,
local language, if your people have understood.
I understand Telugu, sir.
He gave a clear message saying that it was not acceptable to him.
No,
also.
so then Mr. Kutumba Rao, are you saying there's no honors?
For the crowd to reach so close to the vehicle also is the failure of the local police. The local police intentionally did not barricade, despite the party giving instructions, despite Mr. Naidu giving the itinerary totally clearly, step by step, every kilometer.
Okay, so Mr. Rao, okay, we will ask those questions of the police. My question is, does your party hold no honors on what your supporters do? Is it not your party's responsibility to ensure that your supporters maintain, follow the norms? Is there no responsibility on the TDP?
We accept we have total responsibility in following the lockdown norms, and we have followed it to the best till this is the first complaint which people are showing. till today, is there any complaint that any TDP leader has violated the lockdown norms also?
But sir, that's
While
barely
MLAs
an
and MP like
accomplishment.
Vijay Reddy travels like a national permit lorry. Vijay Reddy travels from north to south, day in, day out, outside the state, inside the state, everything, and ministers do as and they wish, and they spread in Kalahasti. You have seen a procession of 250 vehicles being taken, and then the spread has gone to such an extent that it has to be declared as a red zone and everything. Here, this was a mischief played by the police in tacit understanding with the YSRCP people to allow the crowds to push itself forward so that Mr. Naidu can be blamed. We have instructed our party. Even now we are admitting if the mistake is from our party men, we are going to take action on them also. Already sir has said clearly regarding that.
Okay, Mr. Kutumba Rao, thank you for joining us and patiently answering every question there. The TDP maintaining that this is a conspiracy by the local police. The fact that a letter was written by Naidu and yet no steps were taken to ensure barricading was in place to stop supporters from gathering.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.